Hey guys, I'm Andy Bamford and welcome to Living Strong. Today we're going to get stuck in and I'm going to show you guys how we can download the new Deepseek R1 model onto your own computer so you can have your own LLM on your own computer instead of having to go on the internet. So let's check it out, guys. Alright you guys, so let's get stuck in. So here we are, we're on Visual Studio Code at the moment, and this is where we're going to work with the new Deepseek model. But before we do that, let's jump in to show you guys a little bit about what Deepseek is. So Deepseek is it's a Chinese large language model, and it's open source. So what that means is the large language model itself is totally available to everyone. So anyone can download it, they can do whatever they want with it. It's given out for free. And also the other thing about it too is it's got an interface where you can use it just like ChatGPT as well. And it's really powerful. So it's got this thing called Deepseek or R1. But let me show you something. You can just click that, and for example, you might want to say to it, please code me up a landing page for a e-commerce store in HTML and CSS, and off it goes. So what it does is it goes through this thinking process. So it's going through a thing called chain of thought. So chain of thought is basically, it means it goes through a series of steps, which means when it comes up with the answer, it's doing things methodically. So there you go. So it's pretty much creating all the code there, and I can just copy that code straight into my HTML file, and it's ready to roll. So that's that. We'll leave that for now. Now let's get stuck into what we were talking about, downloading Deepseek onto your computer. So how do we go about doing that? So first of all, we want to go over to this website here. It's called Ollama.com, and Ollama.com is a website that has a whole bunch of large language models on it. So if first of all we want to download the software, so we're going to go up to the right hand corner, and we're going to download the application here. So click that button, click I've got a Mac, so I've already done it. Click whatever your operating system is, and then just click download. That's pretty straightforward. Once that's done, we're going to come back in here and we're going to select our model. Now, this is the base model that we're using, Deepseek R1, which is a reasoning model, the one we want to use. And I've already downloaded this onto my computer, but basically you go in here to the lookup. I've got the 7 billion parameter, and I've also got the 1.5 billion. So 1.5 is fine. So you can run the 1.5 billion parameter model on quite a small computer. I've got my MacBook Air 8. I've got 8 GB of RAM, and it runs the 1.5 fine. So the first time you run it, it'll go through a process. So what you've got to do now is you want to copy that command, and you're going to jump into your Visual Studio Code or whatever you're using. You can just use the terminal prompt if you've got a Mac, and if you haven't, you will have that. So just go up here, click Terminal, New Terminal, and off we go. So we're just going to paste that in there, and the first time you run this, it'll install it for you. But once you've installed it, once it's been installed, you just press it and you're already in there you are, you're in the LLM. So you can say to it, hi, how's it going, and it's ready to roll. So you've actually got a large language model like ChatGPT right inside your computer. So, hi, I'm just a virtual assistant, don't have any feelings. Fair enough. So let's ask it something. Please create a business plan for a egg factory. I just had some eggs before. I have an idea where I am going to produce purple eggs. Right, let's give that a go. So see how it's coming up with this think thing that we saw before when we were on the website. It's doing the same thing. It's using chain of thought, which is a process where it goes through step by step. It's coming up with a solution and it's printing it out. ChatGPT doesn't actually do that. OpenAI's model doesn't do that. You can actually read it yourself, which is kind of cool. And then there it is, the business plan. So business plan for Purple Egg Factory. And so it's got an executive summary, it's got a market analysis, production details, all that sort of stuff. And the cool thing about this is you can have your own large language model on your own computer, and this is going to be a game changer for businesses that want to keep their data secure. So you don't have to worry about other companies stealing your data or using your data for other things. You've got it in-house, which is pretty cool. So there you have it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe either. I much appreciate that.